Hi there. My name is Sandeep Apsangi, founder of HVAC Intel. How many of you had to face this situation where your AC unit fails suddenly and you have to spend thousands of dollars to fix it? This problem here is depicted very easily on this slide. It shows AC fails suddenly and it leads to a major inconvenience to the consumer, which leads to costly repair, thousands of dollars in one day, and leads to a mistrust between the consumer and the HVAC technician. We looked at the HVAC services market in the US alone, and it was about $26 billion in 2019 and expected to grow to about $36 billion by 2030. That's 3.1% growth year by year. So we wanted to do something about it. How do we disrupt such a huge market? By developing a device that monitors your HVAC system and predicts failures. And once we predict a failure or an issue, an alert is sent to your cell phone or to your email. And that leads to lesser spending, or you could also predict your spending and help the technician to diagnose your problem quickly. This leads to trust between the consumer and the HVAC technician. And boy, we have patented the solution. What's in it for the consumer? Peace of mind, comfort all the time, and they spend less, or they are now able to budget their spending. What's in it for the contractor? HVAC Intel integrates their complete operations, office management, fleet management, and they are able to gain customer loyalty and gain more customers because of word of mouth, which means they are now monetizing prediction and not failures in the field. So how does the portal look like? This portal that we have developed provides a complete installation base in one Google map and also lists all the installs in the field and indicates the status of that system. Now, how much is the market size for this contracting industry? When we looked at the statistics, the total market was about 60 million units, out of which 30 million of these have more than 5 years of life on them. Now, if we consider that 20% of the consumers are enrolled in maintenance plans, and 42% of those consumers really believe in maintenance plans, then we get our obtainable market to be about 5 million units, which brings to about $1 billion spent at a minimum. Now, how do we go about launching this product to such a huge market? So our sales channel is we go through the contractors, and then contractors go to the consumers, which are basically homeowners or small business owners. And the business model itself is divided into device price, the installation cost, and monitoring service. And there is a split of the revenue or price contribution between the HVAC contractors and the consumers. In terms of traction, we have a paid pilot this year, and we are expecting about 100 installs for summer. Plus, we have about 3 customers in pipeline for 2020. In addition to the residential segment, we are also looking at commercial market and helping art galleries maintain and monitor their conditions in the field. And we are also in discussions with industry regulators like Consortium for Energy Efficiency for partnerships, who have huge access to thousands of utility companies in North America and Canada. And we are also going to participate in Lighting and Homes for Tomorrow contest. Now, our go-to-market strategy is to add as many locations as possible. Our goal for 2023 is to add 7 locations with 17 installs per day, which brings us to 60,000 installations up to 2023. But as we know, the market is 5 million units. So we do need help for us to scale from 60,000 to 5 million units. And that's why we have a team that has all the expertise that we need, from HVAC, electrical, computer science, and cloud, to HVAC industry expertise. So in order to scale from 60,000 to 5 million units, we are requesting for partnerships and customer referrals. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.